There are many websites that use and embed videos, but sometimes you may want to store or download the videos offline for educational reasons or any other personal references. But downloading videos from Kajabi website and viewing it offline or for later reference is not straightforward. That's why in this video, we will learn how to download videos hosted on Kajabi for storing it locally or for any other use you may want it for. Here's a sample demo video from Kajabi that we'll use for this demo purpose. Once you're on the Kajabi website, from the dashboard, locate the Product tab and click on one of the courses that you want to download, and you will see that the videos is embedded into the website. Now what you have to do is just right-click on anywhere on the website and click on Inspect. Under the Elements tab, hit Ctrl+F on your keyboard to open up this search bar and type in Embed URL. You will want to find this particular iframe URL. Double-click on that and copy the entire URL within the codes, starting from the HTTPS and the embed iframe with this video ID. Once you copy this, I'm hitting Ctrl+C on my keyboard to copy it, open a new tab, and paste that URL and hit the Enter key. Now this video will be played in full screen on your browser. Now, let the video play at once, and hit on F12 on your computer keyboard to open these developer tools one more time. If you're not able to find the F12 keyboard to open up the developer tools, you can click on the Chrome browser menu, the three dots over here, and choose More Tools and click on Developer Tools. Now, go under the Sources section and under the FastWistyNet, you will find this Embed iframe folder. Click on this video ID, this file over here, and you will find an HTML document over here. Click inside this file and hit on Ctrl+F to bring up the search bar and type in MP4. So here we will find that this particular section of the code, there is a video with the 360 pixels quality, the video quality, but we want a little higher quality. So let us scroll down to find a little higher quality. So this is 720p, and then here goes the 1080p. So scroll down and take this URL over here, copy this. I will not use this copy link address because that is not what is getting copied over here. This copy is the link address of the file, but instead, use your Ctrl+C keyboard shortcut to copy this URL and paste that onto your new tab. Now, without hitting the Enter key, remove the bin file type and change it to MP4 and hit on the Enter, which opens up as a downloadable video. All you now want to do is to click on these three dots and hit on the download option, and the video gets downloaded. That's how we can download videos that are embedded or hosted on the Kajabi platform. That being said, this may not work with all the videos due to copyrights or other protective policies, but it should work for most of them. Please respect copyright policies and be aware of any protected videos by the content owners. I only recommend this for your personal and educational use and not to misuse it for any illegal gains. That's all. I hope you liked this video. I'll see you again in another one. Until then, take care and keep creating because your success is just around the corner.